right, everybody. We're at the 420 Niagara Cannabis Expo. Did I just butcher that? What are we at? We're at the 420. What is it?
Niagara.
Expo. Niagara. We're in Niagara Falls still. We're at a cannabis convention, Expo. We're enjoying cannabis, right?
Well, somewhat.
And our guest today is John of, I was going to say from Royal Oil.
Well, same thing.
Yeah. You are the owner, the founder. Welcome to the green room.
Thank you. It's been a long time knowing you.
Yeah.
Seeing you.
And it's nice to have you in the green room. Tell us what Royal Oil is.
Well, Royal Oil does infused topical oils for pain, for skin condition like eczema, psoriasis, shingles. I also do massage fun oil and one that helps with anxiety.
Oh, okay. Why? How come you did this? Why did you start this? When did you start this?
I started this because I was like a lot of people. I got injured and I was on that opiate thing for a long time. And one day I had enough and started talking to my pharmacist on marijuana and tested my products, and that's how I developed it.
Oh, okay. So, and you're not on any of that anymore? Okay. What were you going to say, Derek?
No, I was gonna ask, so how many milligrams did it take? Like, did you have to take per day to get off of opioids?
No, it's only a topical. So I'm not
you don't
adjusting.
even ingest it.
No,
So
come on.
So you're telling me a topical
Yes.
got you off of those?
Yes.
Wow, that's crazy.
Well, that's the whole thing.
Explain that to us.
Well, you gotta. One of the biggest steps is you want to have to get off the opiates.
Right.
That's the biggest step. Some people don't like the sickness. I've gone through it. I know what it's all about.
Right.
And that's why I like what I do. It's about people with less medications in your body. Like the one for skin conditions I do for eczema and psoriasis. Like for kids, they have a lot of those conditions.
What's in it? Tell me how you make it. What's in it?
It's made with grapeseed oil, chamomile, and licorice. That's it. I've had 100% success with this. That's why I like what I do. It's about getting people off medications, because most of the medications for the eczema and psoriasis is steroid based or cortisone, which is bad for your skin already.
John, since I met you 6-7 years ago, do you know how many people, well, you do, how many people have messaged me to then reach out to you to get a massage oil or to get this stuff for their mom's hands because they've got arthritis or stuff, they've hurt their leg and they message for you. Yes. Like there's got to be, like, this is a big, to scale, this is a big deal. Like, how would it take you, would you even want to be a player in the legal market, in the regular? Like, I know you're in Jamaica doing things now and stuff. Like, is there a way? Because your stuff is awesome.
I know. That's why
and you're like a one-man band here. And, you know, I get so many people, my husband as well, is always having people ask about your stuff. So, like, you've created something really cool. You're obviously passionate. There's a need from it. You've come to this place, you know, through your struggles and your journey.
Yeah.
Is there a way you could?
Well, like this, I grow the weed. Everything is me. So there's nobody in between for this product.
And you're at women's things, like for women's markets, and you're trying to do healing stuff. And what were you doing in Jamaica?
I was doing my first annual Royal Oil Rub showing in Negril, Jamaica. I'm looking to expand as far as I can to help as much as I can.
Let's see it.
Okay, I'll show you my stuff.
Okay.
I'm gonna, like, I mean, most people know.
My hands are dry right
Most people know me, know that I've had a lot of surgery. I use John's everything for aftercare. Everything. Yes, and I have for years.
Okay, so the first one I got here is the woman's massage oil.
Love it.
And all it is natural. It's made with sunflower oil, lavender, bergamot, geranium, lavender.
Nice.
That's it.
Okay.
Amazing. On your, like, abdomen, on your feet at the end of the day, on your shoulders and neck. It's amazing. Smells good. It feels good. It got you.
You can smell it. Yeah, you can smell it.
What were you gonna ask? Does it get you high?
I was gonna ask if
none of my products will get you high.
That. I was gonna ask if you being the queen of cannabis, if Drew has to use this.
We're not gonna say nothing.
I love it. I love it.
One of my other products is for anxiety.
Okay.
All it is infused sunflower oil, vetiver, and cedarwood. Vetiver helps with hormonal balance. That's why it helps with the anxiety.
So what do you do with that? Say I have some anxiety right now.
You can put it directly on your face.
Squirt it all over them.
Squirt it all over?
No.
Just kidding.
Okay, we're gonna get this on film, right? Here comes the money shot.
This is going viral. All right. Okay, tell us about it.
It's vetiver and cedarwood. Vetiver helps with hormonal balance. So you can put it directly on your face or rub it on your feet because it's sunflower oil, so it won't sit heavy on your face. Some of the other products that I have is one for pain, made with coconut oil, camphor, eucalyptus, and peppermint. So it gives you the heat with the camphor. And
Our cameramen need that at the end of the day. After like 8-12 hours with the camera and standing and stuff, that stuff's amazing.
Yeah, it's made with coconut oil, so as you see, it goes liquidy.
Yep.
Some people like it liquidy or put it in the fridge and it goes solid.
What about that psoriasis stuff you have? Where's that?
The one for psoriasis?
Because I like
Yes.
almost drink it. Like this is the best. This little tube here is money right here. This little tube here. I put a dab on my like there and there every night. I put it like in my arm, like wherever you're like dry, like chafing. It's for psoriasis.
Any kind of skin conditions. And that's why I like doing this, because a lot of kids have it and it affects them in a lot of ways. I've had 100% success with this, which is really good because most of the medications you'll get from the doctor for this is cortisone based or steroid.
My girlfriend uses your oil on her son's like eczema in her armpits and on the back of like his head, like, and he's a little kid.
It's
like,
even good for my stretch marks.
Yeah, yes, it is. I use this shit on everything. So okay, so Jamaica, you just had your first.
My first showing there 2 weeks ago when you were in Jamaica. Yes, but you avoided me, so that's okay.
Oh my God, I was there to work.
So was I.
Oh, that's right.
It was a working vacation.
Right.
But I had a wonderful time. I've been there many, 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 many times. And that was my first time as Royal Oil Rub. And they enjoy what I do. But I enjoy what I do.
And do you have your daughter here with you today? She's usually with you at all the events?
She's usually at the events, my events. This summer, I'm booked into all health and wellness women's expos across Ontario. I like being in the public to educate people. That's what people.
Seems like your target market is mainly women.
It is.
Am I talking to you?
This guy.
If I'm in pain, I got some rub for that, or we can go with the massage oil.
Right.
What about the face mask? Do we still have that? Are we still doing that, or what happened with that?
It's not a big seller because a lot of women, they found it too cumbersome to put it on their face and stuff like that.
And your bath bombs?
Bath bombs, I do, and they're infused with my pain oil. So that way, because it's got Epsom salts, opens your pores, which allows more of the pain oils to be absorbed in.
Right. Really, like, this stuff's awesome.
What about lube? Since you're so into...
Okay, let's go with the massage oil again.
Is that work just as fine? Just as
Yes, it can go either way, from massage to whichever fun way you want to go.
We've had so many people on the show that could go either way. But
I'm staying on this side of the table.
Yeah, so they want this in the grill?
Yes, I left my products at some of the stores down there, so that way they can have access to it.
Yeah, my next massage on the beach could be with some royal oil.
There we go, because I'll be looking to do this annually and at small hotels and motels, restaurants, any small places.
Since you're out and you're all over and everyone knows royal oil, excuse me, do you think what's going to happen? Are you going to get copied by a big person, or a Goliath going to come and...
Well, nobody's going to copy this because everybody's got their own recipes and how I developed this.
Right. So you have
every ingredient isn't listed on there.
No, all the ingredients, but how it's processed. Everybody has their own way.
Right. How you mix it.
Yes.
Okay.
And I even grow the weed myself, so everything is me.
Right.
Is there certain strains?
Do you have a retreat?
Yes.
At your house?
White Widow.
White Widow.
A retreat.
No.
Okay.
A real tree?
A retreat.
A retreat.
Oh, I got trees in my
a wellness retreat.
No, none of those yet.
Not yet.
But that's kind of what you're working on.
But I
Jamaica.
bet when he gets it, it's only going to be women allowed.
Okay, I may allow you once.
All right, Derek can come once as media. but no massages.
You can only watch.
It's okay. The Queen of Cannabis can go and report back.
That again, Derek's sending me places.
But yes, I was talking to someone there with Project Jamaica.
Project Jamaica.
To help them out in whatever way I can.
That's
Nice.
awesome.
'Cause
That's really cool.
Like I've been there 22 times,
Wow.
and I enjoy it. It's a nice place. I've been there with my kids.
It's phenomenal, and I mean, conversations in Jamaica where they know how to do this stuff too. They just haven't, right? Like they just they do a lot. I mean, there's teas and there's things and whatever,
Yep.
but they want more. They're looking like I was surprised at how many people in Jamaica were looking for the education to come from Canada. They were looking for the experts from
Yes.
Canada. I was like, wait a second, what? Hold up.
Well,
Aren't
we
you
are
the-
our first mover.
See, that's that they're like, you guys have legalized and you did it.
Yep.
Like, there's a lot of.
And I'm very recognized. I'm in High Canada magazine
Yep.
a few times. I've won.
Jackie loves that publication.
I'm only
I'm
been
not
it
in
once.
Kind magazine yet.
You
Oh,
should be.
Derek was just in it this month. It's-
Oh yeah, he was a centerfold, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Check that out.
But yeah,
he was
also-
getting a massage with some royal oil on the pullout. That's
on the pullout. Oh, that's a bad.
We're
time.
gonna start a magazine, and we need that. We need an actual centerfold, like the pullout kind. Remember?
the pullout kind.
Wasn't it used to be like that on High Times? Wasn't it a nug? Didn't they used to have? I think my husband used to collect the centerfolds from High Times magazine, and they were like nug pictures.
Mhm.
He's too high to join the conversation, but look at.
But I've also won the Indigenous Cup for my products.
That's
which
right.
Oh, nice.
You've been at quite a
Yep.
few times.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I'll be there again this year.
This your stuff is great. Your stuff is phenomenal. And when I asked about, going legal or what would the process be or how it is, it's only because it's really cool. It's really great. And I mean, to make it scalable and to make everything. But then again, why not? I mean, there's lots of.
Yeah. Why don't you tell us a little bit why you can't?
Why I can't?
Yeah. Or why you don't want to?
Why I don't want to go legal?
Yeah.
Because they'll kill it. They'll kill that sound to me. They'll overprice it.
Right.
I stay affordable. That's my whole thing. I'm helping people.
Affordable, approachable.
Yes, because I've been in some of the dispensaries, and like my products, I can sell this for $40. Dispensaries are at $100. How is anybody going to look at it?
How are women going to afford that?
Yeah, all that massage oil.
They'll pay anything for the massage or the
Where can we find Royal Oil on social medias? Where are you?
I'm on Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook has Instagram. Have you lost an Instagram page yet?
Nope.
No.
I haven't been banned because
all
I
women.
I keep my wording safe so that way they can.
You should partner with
stop.
spas. Like, like those
He is
exclusive-
trying, and he is doing stuff like
exclusive
that.
spas, like
I've-
at,
Well, I've tried to get in.
Collingwood,
Oh,
Blue Mountain, those.
Well, the massage oil. I've
All those expensive spas Jackie likes to go to.
yeah.
What? I'm at home rubbing, slapping Royal Oil all over myself.
But the legal massage therapist cannot use my product because they're still investigating this as a new product.
Right.
Oh,
But
you're under investigation.
But I am working with some to get it in there because
Right.
that's a lot. I'm getting a lot of people asking for it. That's the
Right.
whole thing.
That's cool. I think it's great. I
Yeah.
think you're really great, John. And you're freaking everywhere. Royal Oil
I
is
know.
everywhere. If they don't know,
I'm
find
getting-
you on Instagram.
Getting worldwide.
Yeah, going worldwide. Now you're on the green room.
That's about time. All right.
Thank you so much for joining us. John
Yes.
from Royal Oil. You can find him on socials. You can find him on my socials. Thanks for joining us
Yes,
on the
I
green
will.
room.
And I'll be doing another event with you soon.
Which one?
Drew's.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh, are you coming? Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. We'll talk to you soon. He's like, okay. See, check us out on the green room. We're Cannabis Wiki. That's Royal Oil. John, we're at the Niagara 420 Expo. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.